Hello everyone. So this is the fourth session of the Food Safety and Quality Assurance, and the topic which we'll be covering today is Food Safety and Standards Authority 2006. So talking about the Food Safety and Standards Authority, the Food Safety and Standards Act 2006 is act to consolidate the laws related to food and to establish the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India for laying down science-based standards um, for articles of food and to regulate their manufacture, storage, distribution, sale, and import to ensure availability of safe and wholesome foods for human consumption and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. So these are the various acts that come under Food Safety and Standards Authority. So to ensure that all the foods meet consumers' expectation in terms of nature, substance and quality and is not misleading. To provide legal powers and specify offences in relation to public health and consumers' interest. To shift from regulatory regime to self-compliance through food safety management system. Science-based standards and proprietary foods, novel foods, GM foods, dietary supplements, nutraceuticals brought into the ambit of the new Act. The Act also covers activities throughout the food distribution chain from primary production through distribution to retail catering. The Act gives the government powers to make regulations on matters of food safety. The Food Safety and Standards Authority of India is a primary government authority responsible for preparing specific regulations under the Act. So, to regulate, monitor the manufacture, processing, distribution, sale, and import of food to ensure its safety and wholesomeness, to specify standards, guidelines of food articles, to limits of food additives, contaminants, veterinary drugs, heavy metals, mycotoxins, irradiation of foods, and processing aids. The mechanism and guidelines for accreditation of food certification bodies engaged in food safety management system certification, quality control of imported food, specify food labeling standards including claim on health, nutrition, special dietary uses and food category systems, and scientific advice and technical support to central state governments. So, the food safety commissioner has a designated officer and food safety officer under him, and the designated officer is directly connected with the referral labs and accredited labs in the food analyst. Also, to the adjudicating officer and appellate tribunal and special court. So, what are the roles and responsibilities of the Food Safety Commissioner? So, the roles and responsibilities of the Food Safety Commissioner are prohibit in the interest of public health the manufacture, storage, distribution, and sale of any article of food. So, carry out survey inspection of the food processing units in the state to find out compliance of prescribed standards. To conduct training programs for the personnel engaged in food safety. To ensure efficient and uniform implementation of the standards and other requirements of food safety, and to sanction prosecution for offences punishable with imprisonment under this Act. Issue or cancel license of food business operator, prohibit sale in contravention of this Act, receive, report and samples of articles for food from food safety officer and get them analyzed, make recommendations to the Commissioner of Food Safety for sanction of to launch prosecutions and sanction prosecutions, maintain records of all inspections made by the food safety officer and get complaints investigated in respect of any contravention of the provision of the Act of or against FSO, that is food safety officer. Taking samples of food intended for sale, seize any articles of food which appears to be in contravention of this Act. To enter and inspect any place where food is manufactured or stored for sale, after giving notice cause unsafe food destroyed, seize any adulterant found in possession of a manufacturer or distributor, can be penalized for harassment of business operator. There is a provision for penalizing complaints of false complaint. So, what are the What comes under the registration authority, state authority and central license authority? So under the registration authority, the food safety officer or any official in panchayat, municipal corporation or any other local body in an area notified as such by the state food safety commissioner for the purpose of registration. State licensing authority, the designation officers appointed under section 36(1) of the act by the food safety commissioner of a state or for the purpose of licensing and monitoring. The central license authority, the designated officers appointed by the chief executive officer, the FSSI in his capacity of food safety commissioner. That's all for this session. Thank you.